You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'm bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin halving, all you need to know about halving, and how you should position yourself for the next halving in the market that will happen in 2024. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. If you are a forex trader, check this our forex channel and don't forget to subscribe for forex analysis. Let's go right into the video. Right here is the Bitcoin halving chart. Halving is a cut in half the amount of Bitcoin that miners receive as reward for their work. So every miners receive Bitcoin for confirming transaction, and that confirmation of transaction involve solving difficult mathematical puzzles and also adding new block to the Bitcoin blockchain. So when you do this, you are being rewarded Bitcoin for performing such work. Now Bitcoin halving is just a half of that reward that happen every four years in the Bitcoin network. It is a program designed to checkmate inflation in the Bitcoin ecosystem. So if you look at this very chart right here, you see the Genesis block was created in March 2009. That's when the Genesis block was created, and 50 new Bitcoin were created every 10 minutes. That amount to 10.5 million Bitcoin that was created between the period of March 2009 to November 2012. So within this period, about 10.5 million Bitcoin was created right here. Now, after the first halving occurred, as at the time the first halving occurred, Bitcoin was at $12 at this very area. You can see on the chart right here. And then from 2012 to 2016 September, the second halving occurred, and that time Bitcoin price was about $657, and within the period of November 2012 to September 2016, about 5.2 million Bitcoin was created, and 25 new Bitcoin were created every 10 minutes. If you look at 50 and now it halves into 2, gives you 25, and then the next phase of halving again happened in 2020. That was 11th May 2020, and then after that period, miners receive 12.5 new Bitcoin every 10 minutes for confirming transaction, and that amount to 2.6 million Bitcoin approximately. That is between the period of September 2016 to May 2020. This is the total amount of Bitcoin that was created in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Now, if you look at this, halving is just the cut in half of the reward that Bitcoin miners receive every 10 minutes. If you look at this, before the first halving, Bitcoin miners receive 50 new Bitcoins every 10 minutes. Then it's half into 2, which will give you 25 Bitcoin every 10 minutes for mining. And then this half again into 2 gives you 12.5 new Bitcoin every 10 minutes. And then right now, miners receive 6.25 new Bitcoin every 10 minutes till April 2024, when the next halving is going to happen in the Bitcoin blockchain or in the Bitcoin ecosystem. So once that happens, which will happen April 2024, we are going to see this very reward, which is 6.25 divide into 2, which is going to give you about 3.125 Bitcoin as reward. Like I said, halving was designed in a Bitcoin blockchain so as to check inflation in the ecosystem. So therefore, it does not release a lot of Bitcoin than it is needed, and that is one of the reasons why Bitcoin is very much valuable, because of this very methodology that the creator of Bitcoin puts in check. So if you look at it, I'm going to go into the chart and show you the increase in price after every halving. This is 2016 when the second halving occurred in the Bitcoin blockchain, and then if you look at it, markets range around this very area, and then after that we see the market begin to increase in price up to this very area of 26,000. That was around 2017 December, and then as at this time Bitcoin have actually attracted a lot of attention, and then after that time market began to come back right down up to this very area, and then from this very area market begin to increase again a little bit before the third halving in 2020 May, that is May 11 2020, at this very area, and then you see the price of Bitcoin shoot up to this very point, $69,000, and this is what we've seen after every halving. So it means that after every halving the Bitcoin price increase. It always increase from history. I've showed the other charts, and if you look at this price chart right here, you see after the halving right here in 2016, market reach a little bit at this very area and then move to the upside, come back right down. This very halving again happened in 2020, move right up to this very level of $69,000, and then right now Bitcoin is down, and Bitcoin is trading at 26.4k as at the recording of this very video, and the next halving is going to happen at this very area, that is April 2024. The exact date is not known yet, but it is going to be in April 2024. What I am expecting is the market to come a little bit right down around this very area. Let me increase this a little bit. So the market should come a little bit right down, and then we'll begin to see the market increase approaching this very halving period. Then immediately after the halving, market will not just pump up, although we know that right now Bitcoin have received so many attention. I'm expecting the market to go up a little bit before the next aggressive move into the market after 2 months after the halving. So this is what I am expecting right now. So the question is it the right time to buy Bitcoin and hold for a long time? Will you hold Bitcoin right now, or you should wait for the market to come back down a little bit before buying? It is very important for you to check your dollar cost averaging before buying Bitcoin. But nevertheless, right here where the Bitcoin price is right now at this point of 26.4k is a right time to buy Bitcoin, especially if you are buying before the halving. That is, you are expecting that after the halving the price of Bitcoin should increase. This is a right time to buy Bitcoin, and nevertheless, even though the price of Bitcoin come back right down, Bitcoin is still going to move to the upside, because the idea is that you are buying before the halving, so that after the halving the price of Bitcoin is going to move to the upside. And this is very, very true from history. We see that in 2012 the price of Bitcoin increased to about $10, and then in 2016, that is the second halving, it was at $600, and then third halving happened in the blockchain 2020. We see that the price of Bitcoin was around $9,000, and then right now we don't know where the price of Bitcoin will be when the next halving is going to occur, that is next year 2024 April to be precise. All you need to do is to buy now, or wait for the market to come back down a little bit, buy before this next halving will occur, because the Bitcoin price is definitely going to increase. The main idea is that before the halving the price always come down, and then after the halving price always go up. After every halving there's always a bull run in the market. So take note of this, and then it is the right time to buy Bitcoin, or you wait for the market to come back down a little bit and buy before the next halving in the market. Now that Bitcoin have so many domination and attention, do you think the market is going to move straight to $500,000? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. And if you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, check the description of this video. See a link to our general WhatsApp group. We have a free training on the 10th of June 2023, and it is a free group. Join right below. And if you've not registered on Binance, OKX, Bybit, check the description of this video. You see a link and register and receive those bonuses. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.